a lot of companies today are using social media in a lot of ways. Um, there are people who, there are some of the players who are just listening to what is happening, what is the buzz which is being talked about, and they are being trying to understand the various reactions in the market. At the same time, there are a lot of people who are using it very strategically in terms of attracting special skills which are needed for their organizations. They are able to engage focus groups and talk to certain forums in a very different way and engage them even if they are not hiring actively. So engagement becomes the primary activity and hiring is a byproduct which takes place because of the actions on the social media. Today, the profile, today the social graph of a person is being looked at from various angles, and people are not just looking at the plain vanilla CV which is going and which is coming in. There are video CVs which are coming in. There are people who are talking about what they have done and their achievements. They're showcasing it much in a much better way. They're incorporating graphics in their CV, talking about they're incorporating what others have to say about them, and there are also a lot of sites which allow them to have endorsements and recognitions by other people, and they're giving away links for these kind of applications. I think in totality, the social profile of any candidate makes a huge difference today. Mobile will play a very important role. The advent of smart devices today allow you to be glued to remain in touch with your social groups, and it allows you to give instant response to any kind of campaigns which are flowed by various employers. So I think mobile is here to stay, and it is definitely going to evolve from where it is right now. If you are an employer trying to hire a lot of people in volume segment, wherein your hiring is in a mass hiring way, then you will have to adopt methods which allow you to automate and do certain amount of screening at various stages of your interview process. So it is imperative that those automations take place. It reduces the burden on the hiring engine. It allows your engine to be more efficient. I think traditional hiring methods, which is just doing a job posting or waiting for a candidate to respond to an advertisement, are fading away as we speak.